Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on how to clean the grout in the shower. Watch until the end to know the best method of cleaning grouts in your shower room. Method 1. Quick solutions. Start by breaking down the grout with vinegar and baking soda. To do so, take about 30 grams, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and add water slowly to it as you stir until it turns into a thick paste. Dip a grout brush or a toothbrush into the paste and use it to scrub your shower grout. To achieve the best results, use a toothbrush with hard bristles. Also, scrub your shower grout in a circular motion instead of back and forth. After scrubbing, use a spray bottle to spray the grout with a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar. Please leave it to fizzle for around half an hour. After the waiting time is over, scrub the grout with the mixture of vinegar solution and baking soda again until you achieve desired results. Rinse the area you've worked on with clean water. If the vinegar and baking soda doesn't give you the results you wanted, replace vinegar with hydrogen peroxide. You can mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to make a thin paste. Dip a toothbrush into the paste and use that to scrub the grout gently. Rinse the area with warm water after scrubbing. Even if the hydrogen peroxide does not dislodge all of the grime, it will significantly improve the appearance of your grout by eradicating stubborn stains, as well as killing any mold in the area. Alternatively, you can use lemon oil and borax. Mix 63 grams of borax and 3 milliliters of lemon oil in a small bowl. Add enough liquid soap to the mixture to make a paste. Dip a new toothbrush into the paste and use it to scrub the shower grout. After achieving the desired results, rinse the entire area with warm water. You can also clean your shower grout with steam. Fit your steam cleaner with a pointed and thin nozzle. You can attach a brush to the steam cleaner if available. Aim the nozzle at the shower grout lines and apply steam consistently. Even if the steam doesn't give you the exact desired outcome, it will loosen stubborn debris and dirt and make it easier to clean with other products. Method 2. Using stronger cleaning products. While it is important to clean grout beginning with the mildest products, you can always use harsher cleaning products if necessary. The second approach to cleaning grout in the shower is using stronger cleaning products. 1. You can use oxygen bleach products, such as sodium percarbonate. Some of the popular brand names you can find in the store include BioClean, OxyClean, and Clorox. To clean the bathroom grout using these products, you should mix them with water by following the manufacturer's guidelines. Then apply the cleaning solution to the grout and let it sit for approximately 1 hour before scrubbing, using a soft brush and then rinsing. When using stronger cleaning products, ensure the space is well ventilated for adequate air circulation, and be sure to wear gloves to avoid skin contact. Also, you should spot test the product on a small part of the grout to ensure that it doesn't erode, discolor, or cause damage, and that it gives the desired results. 2. You can use commercial grout cleaners. There are many cleaning products specially designed for grout which you can find in your local store. When using commercial grout cleaners, ensure you follow the guidelines for use and apply all the safety precautions outlined in the product. Some of the popular names that you can check for commercial grout cleaners include Tilex Tile and Grout, Goo Gone Grout, Zep, and Outrageous. When using commercial grout cleaners, it's important to be aware of the dangers of combining different products. If you've tried one product and it hasn't worked, it's not advisable to mix different products to get a stronger cleaning solution, because there's a chance the mixture can produce poisonous fumes. If you want to clean the grout using another product after one has failed, wash the affected area thoroughly and leave it for a few days before trying a new product on the area. Sometimes stubborn stains refuse to come clean, even after cleaning thoroughly. When this happens, you can stain the affected area as a last resort. There are store-bought colorants that you can apply to the stained area to cover it and make the grout look new. Ensure the grout is clean and dry, then apply grout colorant to the stained area using a toothbrush. Use even back and forth strokes and remove the excess colorant with a paper towel. Then allow it to dry by following the manufacturer's instructions. So, which is the best method? When it comes to cleaning your shower grout, always start with mild cleaners before proceeding to using harsh ones. In this case, the first method is the best if your shower grout doesn't have stubborn debris and dirt. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.